Good morning, guys. This is another video that this is the Taco Tuesday. This is what we got on the Taco Tuesday. So we just spawned these Los Tong Tong Tongcitos, and Sammy is he spawned his base, and she spawned a Dol and Lako Rata and Odintindon, Trenso Turbo, Samini, and Traktorito Dinosauru, si Chachi. And this is the one whose Sammy's like what new brain rot. I just got this one. This corn Saurus is just in the Piñara, and this again. This is the only one just I got, and this is the second one that I got. And Sammy spawned a secret lucky block. Once he spawned this is all he spawned, and I never buy that. The were not worth enough, and Sammy just spawned this one, this tree. This Packer Mamat, he spawned his base over here, and I did get it. And this is the one. And Sammy spawned a Rainbow Labaka and Rainbow Karkur. So like and subscribe if you want one. Comment your username in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And add this girl. This is his name. I don't really mind what his name is, because I didn't have a private server, so you guys can add her. This is his name. Oh, wrong spelling. This is his name. That's the name of his. If he had you add you, tell in the comment section that he add you, and I'm gonna give you one. And I'm gonna give away this Los Tong Tongcitos. He just spawned it. It's already done, right? I'm gonna make it have a lock.